Starting a business in Kenya today is one of the smartest ways to build income, independence, and long-term wealth. The country has a young population, growing urban centers, and increasing access to mobile technology, all of which create strong demand for products and services. Many people are no longer waiting for formal employment because opportunities in business are everywhere. What matters most is choosing the right idea, understanding your market, and staying consistent. If you are willing to learn and put in effort, there are several businesses you can start with small or medium capital and grow into highly profitable ventures over time. One of the most promising businesses in Kenya right now is solar installation and maintenance. Electricity costs continue to rise, and many homes and businesses are looking for cheaper and reliable alternatives. Solar energy has become popular not only in rural areas, but also in towns and cities. Starting this business does not require a lot of money compared to other technical fields. With around 15,000 Kenya shillings to 50,000 Kenya shillings, you can begin by acquiring basic tools and training. Once you learn how to install solar panels and maintain systems, you can start offering your services in your local area. The profit comes from both installation charges and regular maintenance services. Over time, as you gain experience and trust, you can handle larger projects and earn even more. Another business that continues to perform well is poultry farming. Eggs and chicken meat are consumed daily in many Kenyan households, hotels, and institutions. This makes poultry farming a reliable source of income throughout the year. Starting a small poultry farm may require between 50,000 Kenya shillings and 200,000 Kenya shillings, depending on the size. The key to success in this business is proper management. You need to provide quality feed, maintain cleanliness, and protect your birds from diseases. If done correctly, poultry farming can generate steady income every month. Many farmers start small and gradually expand as profits increase, making it a very flexible business. The rise of online shopping has also created huge opportunities in logistics and delivery services. More people are buying goods through social media platforms and online stores, and they need reliable delivery options. If you have access to a motorcycle or even a small vehicle, you can start a delivery business. With an investment of about 100,000 Kenya shillings to 300,000 Kenya shillings, you can set up a simple operation. You can partner with small businesses, shops, and online sellers who need help delivering goods to their customers. The more efficient and reliable your service is, the more clients you will attract. This business has the advantage of daily cash flow and can grow quickly with good customer service. In today's digital world, online businesses have become some of the most profitable ventures, especially for young people. You do not need a large amount of money to start. With a smartphone or laptop and internet access, you can begin offering services such as writing, graphic design, video editing, or social media management. Many Kenyans are also creating content on platforms like YouTube and earning money through advertisements and sponsorships. What makes online business attractive is the ability to work with clients from all over the world and earn in foreign currencies. Although it may take time to build skills and reputation, the long-term rewards can be very high. Agribusiness is another area with great potential in Kenya. Agriculture remains one of the most important sectors of the economy, and there is always demand for food both locally and internationally. Instead of traditional farming, many people are now focusing on high-value crops such as avocados, strawberries, and greenhouse vegetables. These crops can bring higher returns compared to ordinary farming methods. Starting an agribusiness may require between 50,000 Kenya shillings and 300,000 Kenya shillings, depending on the scale. Success in this field depends on proper planning, access to markets, and good farming practices. With the right approach, agribusiness can be very profitable and sustainable. The beauty and grooming industry is also growing rapidly in Kenya. People are becoming more conscious about their appearance, and they are willing to spend money on grooming services. Opening a barber shop or salon can be a great business idea, especially in busy urban areas. The startup cost can range from 100,000 Kenya shillings to 300,000 Kenya shillings. Once established, this business can generate consistent income because customers return regularly. To succeed, you need to offer quality services, maintain cleanliness, and create a comfortable environment for your clients. Adding modern styles and trends can also help attract more customers. Another profitable business to consider is a car wash and auto detailing service. With the increasing number of vehicles on Kenyan roads, the demand for cleaning and maintenance services continues to grow. This business can be started with around 80,000 Kenya shillings to 250,000 Kenya shillings, depending on the equipment and location. A good location with high traffic can make a big difference in your earnings. Car owners are always looking for convenient and reliable services, so if you provide quality work, you will have repeat customers. You can also increase your income by offering additional services such as polishing and interior cleaning. No matter which business you choose, there are a few important principles that can help you succeed. First, start small and grow gradually. This reduces risk and allows you to learn as you go. Second, focus on customer satisfaction, because happy customers will always come back and recommend your business to others. Third, manage your finances carefully by tracking your expenses and profits. Finally, be patient and consistent. Success in business does not happen overnight, but with dedication and effort, it is achievable. Kenya is full of opportunities for those who are ready to take action. Whether you choose solar energy, farming, delivery services, online work, beauty, or car wash, the potential for profit is real. The most important step is to start. Once you begin, you will learn, improve, and grow your business over time. The journey may not always be easy, but the rewards of financial independence and personal growth make it worth it.